There was a dog that was very hungry. He tried to search for food here and there. At last, he found a piece of meat. He picked the piece of meat with his mouth and started going back to his home. There was a river on the way to his home. When he started crossing the bridge of the river, he saw his reflection in water. The dog thought that there was another dog with a piece of meat in water. He wanted to get another piece of meat too. So he started barking at his own reflection. When he opened his mouth to bark, his own piece of meat fell in the river. The greedy dog lost his piece of meat. Moral of story: don't be greedy.